Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another live plant subscription to share with you, and it's a brand new subscription to my channel, and it is Life Sucks Without Sucks. That's what it looks like there. So if you're new to this subscription, I'll just give you a quick lowdown telling you all about it. But if you're just curious and seeing what I received, then you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. So Life Sucks Without Sucks is a live plant subscription box that is based in the UK and only ships within the UK. It's a Succulent Surprise Box and contains either a succulent or a cactus, a pot, and several on-point gifts. The cost of the box is £14.99 and that includes shipping. You can cancel, pause, or even gift a subscription anytime. And if you're interested in taking out a subscription for yourself, I do have a 10% discount link which you will find in my description. Information on their website states that succulents cleanse and dehumidify the air, providing oxygen at night to deter flus, colds, anxiety, fatigue, and aches and pains. And they're very low maintenance to look after. As well as this subscription, I have a ongoing subscription running with Barry's Cactus Club. The reason I got it is obviously I love succulents, I love cactuses, but I am not very good at keeping plants alive, so I thought I can't go wrong, can I? With a little baby one. I can't go wrong. And so far so good. They're all living, except for the ear plant, which I received a couple of months ago as a freebie in the Barry's Cactus Club box. Basically, you don't really need to do much to them in the winter time, and in the summer they just need a bit of sunlight and some watering as well. But they do say, I think it all depends on the plant, but generally from what I'm learning as I'm going along, you need to water from underneath and not to wet the actual plant itself. Maybe different plants are different, I'm not too sure. But yeah, you'll find all links and everything related to the subscription, plus the link if you're interested in taking out a subscription for yourself down below. So underneath this video is a show more or a downward arrow. If you just click that, that'll bring up my description and all details and links will be listed down there. So let's get on to showing you what's inside. We've got a little card. It says, stick with your subscription for new plants, pots and on-point gifts. You'll be glad you pricked us. It's the sort of things that you will find in the box. It says, we reduce, reuse and recycle because unlike these plants, we're not pricks. Okay, to ensure your items get to you undamaged, we need a lot of packaging. At first glance, this may look like a lot of bad plastic and polystyrene. However, we want you to know that most of it is actually eco-friendly. If there's bubble wrap, foam or other plastics in your box, then this is likely due to us reusing packaging from our suppliers. This is my pot. I haven't opened it up yet. This is my little plant. I got some freebies, and then there's a little card here. And on the back tells you about the subscription and the succulent care. So it looks like it's the same information for all the plants. Oh, it says here, desert plants need water too, so give them a decent drink whenever the soil is completely dry, usually 10 to 14 days. And they need 6 to 8 hours of sunlight a day. Your plants will want to grow, so when transferring into a pot, make sure you only use gritty cactus soil and ensure there's enough drainage. Any questions, just ask. I got a little cactus pen, which is cool. I really like that. Look. A little cactus pen. And I got a little pin badge. Yeah, you can see it there. It's a little pin badge. So those are my freebies. Okay then, let's open, let's open the pot first. It's got a dot there. Maybe it's blue, is it? Oh, this will go really nice down in my living room. Oh, I do really like this. This is gorgeous. This is gorgeous. Oh, look at that. It's got bits on it. I love that. I absolutely love it. Oh, it's gorgeous. I do. I really, really like that. Oh, I get so excited with these type of subscriptions. I do with my Barry's Cactus Club as well. It would be really good actually if they had a sticker saying this way up, so that you know, because there's lots of, I'm not sure if you can tell, but there's lots of soil coming out. A leaf just dropped on the floor, but I can't find it. I don't know. Is this okay? Maybe it just broke. I don't know. See like a little plant. A little plant there. It is really dry. It is really, really dry. Oh, look, I'll just put it in there. It's really wobbly in there. How does it stay put there? There. I'll put it in the middle. I really, really love this pot. That is so lovely. Yeah, I really like it. I don't know what this plant is. The difference between this subscription and Barry's Cactus Club, the prices are the same. You get the same sort of things, you get little freebies, you get a pot and you get your plant. But with a Barry's Cactus Club, you'll get a card every month telling you about your specific plant, what its name is, how to look after it, etc. And then you can keep that card safe then and you know how to look after it. But as far as I'm aware, there was nothing in this box that tells me what plant it is. I'll have a look on their website to see, and I'll pop it up on the screen if they tell you about what plant is in your box. I'd like to know what is the plant. I am not green fingered whatsoever, so I haven't got a clue. Do you know what type of plant that is? I don't know. I do like it though. I do really like it. And yeah, if any of you lot know, please let me know down below. I'm going to continue to see how next month's goes, and then I'll decide then which one I prefer, Barry's Cactus Club or Life Sucks without Sucks. Have you watched my Barry's Cactus Club subscription unboxings before? How do you think they compare? I'd love to know, so please comment down below. So thanks for watching, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.